Welcome to Las Vegas Modern Kung Fu channel. This is Shifu JJ. I'm so excited to bring you the lesson 2 Eagle Kung Fu style with real application. Let's go. Eagle Kung Fu Lesson 2 Step-by-Step Tutorial. Follow me now. Last movement from Lesson 1. Make a step, your left, and your right hand from back and go attack. Your left foot under and just turn this way. That is movement number 1 for Lesson 2. Back, go this way, and your left hand under and just flip over under the elbow. You go from here and turn your left hand. Just go, whoo, and again, just go, whoo. Okay, remember your left hand, turn over once we start timing. Great. Let's go from move number 1 until number 2. Go 1. Number 2, you step your right and your left hand 45 down, push up, and your right hand go down to the elbow, attack like this. So your twist with your waist and just boom, get more power. Boom. Right hand grabbing the arm and just pull 45 up. Another hand pull down, broken the arm. So remember that intention. Let's go from the movement number 1 until number 3. Go 1, 2, and 2, 2. And number 3, your right leg step back, both hand front, and you go boom, pull back. You both hand and grabbing and pull the arm back. Right? So very important, your shoulder relax, but you all power from your eagle claws. You're grabbing the arm and go boom, pull back, boom, pull back, boom, with the power. Great work. Let's from movement number 1 until number 4. Go 1 and 2 and 3. And number 4, you step to your right and your right hand go up from back and go down. You need boom. For your pull back, you step your right, your knee you go down with your eagle claw. Okay, great. So let's start from movement number 1 until number 6. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Number 5, you stand up. Your right hand and go up, knee lift and go down. And left hand to your right shoulder. Similar like your lesson 1, and for someone grabbing your shoulder, you're grabbing their hand, you go broken the arm. Okay, so let's go the next movement number 1 until all the way to the end. Follow me. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, or 6. You do knee lift and go side kick and land, and your double hand front back with your elbow. And go forward. After you go, boom, stop. And cross your hand, you lift. And make boom, side kick, and land. And both hands from back. And go forward with your elbow. Boom, hand lean more back. So both hands go more back, and your body lean more back. And you're coming forward. And you come boom, forward. And attack. And your left hand from here, and go boom, more power. So that's how you attack. Let's say one last time. Put everything together. Follow me now. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7. Yeah! This is the Eagle Claw. That's all for today. Thank you very much, my friend, for watching. If you're first time in my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so you don't miss out the next video. Thank you very much. I love you all. Bye bye.